Right now, I can SSH into my home server from anywhere, but I still have to type this. Let's fix that. Much better. Today we're building our own DNS server. Last time we built a private VPN. Now all of our devices can securely reach our home server, but IP addresses are hard to remember. DNS lets us use names instead. By the end of this video, your laptop, your phone, and your home server will all use your own private DNS server to find each other. Step 1. Install Dig. First, SSH into your home server. Next, run apt update and apt install DNS utils. This gives us access to the dig command. If we specify different servers with we get different answers. Step 2, install podman. Run apt update again and then apt install podman and podman compose. Step 3, create config files. Create a directory for your DNS service and cd into it. Create the etc/zones folder within that directory. Edit the etc/named.conf file and paste in the config from the blog post. Change example.com to your domain. Next, edit etc/zones/example.com.db, replacing example.com again with your domain. Paste from the blog post. Make sure you also update the VPN IP address if it's different. Step 4. Run the DNS container. Edit run.sh. Paste again from the blog post. This script starts a DNS container as root. We need root so that we can bind to port 53, which is usually protected. Make the script executable and run it. Be sure to run it as root using sudo. Now use dig to test our DNS server. We can see that home.example.com now resolves to the IP address we put in the config file. Step 5. Run a web server. Install Nginx, a web server, as an example service to test with. Eventually we'll want to host something more complicated, but for now, this will be a good test. Step 6. Update VPN settings. Edit the VPN settings on your home server, adding a line for the DNS server to use when connected. Now we see that any requests we make to home.example.com will hit our test web server as expected. Do the same on your phone and laptop. Edit your WireGuard tunnel and add a line for the new DNS server. Now when you visit home.example.com on your laptop, you see our test website. Today, we replaced IP addresses with names. Instead of remembering 10.10.10.2, we can simply use home.example.com. And because our DNS server lives inside our VPN, those names stay private. In the next video, we'll use this foundation to start hosting real services on our home server. If you'd rather skip building everything yourself, you can buy Hexbox, a pre-configured home server. If you'd like help building your own setup, I also offer one-on-one consulting. And if you'd rather skip maintaining your own VPN, check out PageKey VPN. Links are in the description. If this video helped you understand DNS a little better, consider subscribing. I'm Steve, this is PageKey, and this is how we take back tech.